This is a video introduction to Lesson 17, Voltage Drops Across LEDs, in the Mr. Circuit Lab number 2. In this short introduction, I would like to talk to you about the LEDs supplied in this lab. LEDs, or light-emitting diodes, come in a variety of physical sizes, shapes, and colors. The LEDs supplied with this lab are round and have a physical size of 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters is the diameter of the base of the plastic lens of the LED. LEDs can come in surface mount sizes of 1210 or 2020, etc. They also can come in round sizes of 1.5 millimeters, 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 10 millimeters, etc. There are 5 colors of round LEDs in this lab. They are red, yellow, green, blue, and clear. The electronics inside the first 3 colors of LEDs are designed to run on approximately 2 volts at about 18 milliamps. The last 2 LEDs run on approximately 3 volts at about 14 milliamps. It is important to know the volts and the milliamps that each LED requires so that we can design circuits accordingly. All LEDs have the same schematic symbol, regardless of physical size, shape, color, voltage, or current requirements. The schematic symbol of an LED has a diode symbol in the middle of it, and 2 arrows pointing away. Sometimes the LED symbol has a circle around the diode symbol. The 2 arrows are to indicate that the LED emits light. As I said, our red, yellow, and green LEDs run on about 2 volts, or we say these LEDs drop approximately 2 volts across them. We will explain more about voltage drops in later lessons of this lab. Our blue and clear LEDs drop about 3 volts. You will see why this information is important to know when we build circuits with these different LEDs. Physically, all 5 colors of our LEDs look the same, but inside each LED, the electronics is different depending on the color. To finish up this lesson, fill in the answers to the questions on page 17B of your lab manual. Upon doing that, you are ready for Lesson 18.